Well, good morning, everyone. I'm just down here at the cabin, filling up the bird feeders, making everybody happy. Oh yes, can't forget our friendly little four-legged critters. Well guys, before the video starts, I just figured I'd let y'all know that we skipped ahead a bit due to the computer gods erasing some of my footage one more time. I don't know if it's the computer's fault or if it's just my fault. See, the woodpeckers are out again. They sure like their tallow on our feeders. But I wanted to take a moment and thank Brunt Workwear for sponsoring this video. And we'll get back to the garage build in a moment, but I figured everyone would like to check out the cabin one more time before I actually get to the videos. Up until the snow got so deep, the wood stove was doing wonders at heating the place up. Had no issue with it. And I kind of assumed that I'd end up with a little bit of smoke in the house from it, but the draft on it was excellent too. So, right as you see, I got half the ceiling done, plus I got a portion of the other side done before the snow really moved in. And made it next to impossible to get back here. So with luck, after this garage build, I'll try to get back here and get some of these videos out on the cabin. I'd like to get the walls stuccoed and the remainder all drywalled. And the kitchen's sitting out in the storage shed for this, so with luck we can get that in too. Can always work on my bathroom. We got the storage room over there, where sooner or later I got to pick up the solar components for. Yeah, so it's coming along. It's just slow in the process. And it's still mortgage free, so that's a good plus. But anyhow, let's get back to the garage video and we shall see everybody there. Okay guys, Brunt Workwear reached out and offered to sponsor this video by sending me a pair of work boots to try out. As you see in the clips, the Brunt Marin Soft Toe was my choice for work, play, and casual wear. They carry many styles to fit the needs of most anyone, and if you're interested, I'll leave a link along with a custom code in the description. I found the boots to be quite comfortable right out of the box. On the concrete, on the planks, and then again on the roof. They're also quite waterproof. And remember, Brunt, the tools that you wear. So some of the footage that was lost was this set of lookouts on this end being built by Jeremy. The gable end being enclosed, a lot of the sub fascia being installed, which is basically a 2x6, but all this stuff will be kind of covered under the front gable. So in reality, I just saved some time on the overall video series.
Yep, snowed one more time. Yeah, we took a few days off because the weather was very crappy. We got about 5 or 6 more inches of wet, heavy snow, and then the wind started. And anyhow, we had a few days off because of crappy weather, so now I'm back today just to trim out these overheads and do a few other things while the rest of the snow melts off the roof so we can get back up on there. Otherwise it's mighty icy. And I don't bounce so well anymore, so I think I'll wait until the roof is dry. So just a simple 1x and brick mold dress up job on this overhead door. Just going to be paint grade, so use a 1x8 on the face because we got a 2x6 and then a 2x6 turned on edge for a nailer for our tracks on the overhead.
As I said in the last video, some contractors measure a building by the exterior sheathing instead of the actual framing. These trusses were designed 1 inch short intentionally for the sheathing, and that's why in the last video you've seen Jeremy shimming the tails of the trusses out, so while I apply this T111 it doesn't lean in. On this truss, we did a no-no. We notched it out to lay 2x4s on the flat. We're going to fix it by sticking another 2x4 running the whole length of the truss on the underside of those. The reasoning being is that we wanted to match a 2-foot overhang, and that one wasn't a drop truss. So I would not recommend doing that, but in this case it seemed to be working fine. That explains each difference besides size and look and the difference between the choice.
Well, it's the end of the day, and today we managed to get the rest of the T111 on. Got this rake out, even though I would not advise on doing it the way we had to do this. Never cut a truss if you don't have to. But we kind of had to in order to get the 2-foot overhang on the gable end to match up with the 2-foot overhang on the eave side of the garage. And we just carried that around to this side, added tails, and then put our subfascia on. But as you see, again, all the T111's on. We got that done. And then messing around with the gable here, putting some more stiff backs in there, strong backs. Same with on that side. Stiffen up the end trusses a bit. What else did we get done? Basically, it was a day of trying to get a lot of the detail stuff done. So a lot got done, but it doesn't show. Now tomorrow we're pretty much ready to sheet that side of the roof without any real interruptions, and then hopefully we'll be able to get our valleys all built out and get ready for drying it in. But I shall see on that one. We'll see how far we get tomorrow.